So last week I talked about the Rule of 72 in my Retirement Rules of Thumb series, and today we're going to talk about the 4% rule, which I think is often misunderstood. So what the 4% rule really is it's a sustainable withdrawal rate from your investment account that you can live on in retirement. And so you can see here, 4% over 30 years basically works every time. When you get into 5% or higher, sometimes market forces will make it so you can't do that throughout the entire period. Now, 84% is still a pretty good success rate at 5%, but that also means 16% of the time it's not so good. But like I said, I think it's often misapplied. And so here I've got the wrong way on the left and the right way on the right. So the wrong way is taking your portfolio value and then taking 4% of that every single year and recalculating every year. That can lead to big swings in the amount you can take out on a given year. And obviously when you're retired, you want something predictable and stable, and that is not a predictable, stable amount of money. The right way is to take 4% of the initial portfolio value, so the value when you retire and start withdrawing, and then adjust that number for inflation every year. That makes things a little more stable, a little more repeatable, and it also makes it so it works every time, which obviously that's the goal, that's what we want. So come back next week and I'll talk about the 70% rule.